I've seen the other commercials. I don't know them, so I would never send my gold through the mail. So I took it to Fast Fix, right here in the mall. Sure enough, they gave me top dollar for all of my old gold and jewelry. It's true. If you want it fast, take it to Fast Fix.
For eyeglass repair, watch batteries, jewelry sales and designs, take it to the people you can trust.
Fast Fix. Fast Fix.
Fast Fix. They have it all.
Fast Fix Jewelry and Watch Repair. Now offering top dollar for your gold jewelry and precious stones. In the Mall St. Matthews, just inside the rear entrance.